And I feel like I'm going to get pregnant. Sense me. Let's do it. That's my cue. Hey guys, good morning. I was filming last night till 5 and I woke up by like 9. Like my body woke up, I don't know. So I'm just tired, like my eyes, they look so tired. But anyways guys, good morning. Welcome back to the first vlog of the year. Oh, y'all, I'm Adiah and I make beauty. This is so funny. I make beauty, lifestyle challenges, and vlog type videos on my channel. I also promote self-love and care. And if that's something you're into, then please consider subscribing. Turn on your post notifications so YouTube lets you know every time I upload a new video. Like and share because it does help my channel a lot. Also leave a positive comment in the comment section letting me know what you want to see or your thoughts on the quote or the self-love tip of the day. And I'm sending you a lot of light and a lot of love, and let's get on with the vlog. So today's Saturday. I'm planning to do a little self-care thing today. As you can tell, I'm very tired. Like a face mask, body scrub, like steaming my face, exactly. Steaming my face. But first of all, I have to arrange my room. Like, I mean, it's nothing major, just like my filming started from last night. I have to put everything back. So I just said to vlog. I don't have anything planned. I do have to record a podcast today, finally. Cause I've just been putting it off. I don't even know why. But anyways. That's enough from. I also have to start editing the videos I filmed last night. So that's fun. What else? I think that's it. That's it. I think. Obviously, I don't even want to make this like a day's video or like a couple of days. We'll see. Anyways, don't click out. I promise I'm going to do something now. Alright, so let's just get on with my day, okay? I hope you're having a good day too. Alright, bye. Hey guys, so I know I still look the same from the last time you saw me, but I swear I've done something, okay? So I left my phone charged because it was low, and then I cleaned my room, just I made my bed and stuff. Then I fell asleep. Like I literally sat on my bed and was just like, let me rest, and next thing I woke up, I don't know. Anyway, so no, I haven't showered still. Okay, it's just one of those days. I'm going to wash my face now. Then I'm going to put on the face mask. Oh yeah, I said I was going to steam. I feel like I bought the water. Thank you. I said I was going to steam my face. I haven't even bought the water. And the place is so hot right now. I don't know if I still want to do that. I'll probably do a face scrub instead because I'm telling you that this place is so hot. But like I'll feel so good after. Guys, what do I do? You know what, let's do it. Let's do it. because I actually haven't done one in a while. So let me go and put the water on fire now. Alright guys, so the water is on fire now. You guys, I feel like my period is coming. I feel it. I can sense it, and it's driving me crazy. Like my body has just been feeling wonky today. It's going to come from like 2 or 3 days. I don't like it. What do you mean, Michelle? Alright guys, so let's get this show on the road. Will this even work? Oh fuck! I was right, it's hot. Oh. You guys, the water touched me. That's my cue, honestly. Guys, I changed into a robe-ish type thing, and I took my hair up so that I can go wash my face and just, you know, feel comfy. I haven't showered though. I need to, and I will. Evidently, but like, I'm telling you, my body is feeling somehow. This period is coming. Using this St. Ives blemish control apricot scrub. This thing is so good. Like, I don't want it to finish, but it's finishing. It's honestly like one of the best scrubs I've ever used because it has salicylic acid in it. Same thing. Really good for acne. I'm going to try and apply this mask to be cute because I actually want to take pictures for everyone. Because like, why not? So yeah. Does this look aesthetic enough for you? When I'm done taking the pictures, I'm going to really apply it.
It's nothing left, it's you. The feeling's going through. It's always you. It's always you. It's always you. It's always you.
Hey guys, so you know how I told you that my period is coming 2 days or tomorrow? Well, it's here, live and direct. Like, the pain has started to kick in and I feel like I'm going to get pregnant. Like, I feel like I'm pregnant. Like, I don't even know how I'm feeling. I'm feeling all types of ways. I'm going to look for painkiller to take now. And you know the worst part? Let me tell you the worst part. The worst part is that today I licked Milo. Who sent me? I feel so much better, Sha. My face feels so good. My skin is getting better. But then see, this one has already come up here. Also having period acne. I just hate life. Like, I hate all this nonsense. But anyways, I'm gonna look for something to drink for I die.
Why do I keep feeling this pain? It's like I'm going for insane.
I'm done eating. That was honestly like my first meal today. Like, I legit forgot to eat. Like, I was just going through my day and I forgot to eat. I'm in so much pain, like, it's crazy. But yeah, I don't like eating when I'm on my period because I'm always bloated and I have diarrhea. TMI, sorry, but I just don't like eating when I'm on my period. Anyway, I'll let you guys know what I'm up to, if I'm up to anything else. Hey guys, good afternoon. It's like 4:28 right now and I've just been on my table editing. Today's Sunday, so I went to church, got back. I literally slept so much today. I'm thinking of filming tonight, honestly. That depends on how I feel. And yeah, I just wanted to end the vlog, honestly. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down. And I'll see you guys in the next video.